Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. Chris here during the trade, bringing you 4 areas off of my charts that I'm going to be watching in the markets as I go forward in trading. These are going to be coming at you off of the NQ. It's going to be a day of fives, and we'll see exactly why. Let's take a look 3 lines down and go to 15455 on the NQ. This is an area that we're currently, at the time of this video, holding as resistance. It's really functioning as the roof of a bit of a sideways moving range. If we break above that, my eyes jump up to 15675. It's a higher area of resistance that's going to be need to gain to support in order for anything meaningful from the buyer side to happen. If we do gain it, my eyes jump up to 15895, another 5. Yet again, this is a powerful area of resistance that led to a very powerful crash in the recent past. Now down below where price is trading, we have 15070, the only one that doesn't have a whole lot of 5s for us. It's an area of support that we haven't tested in quite a while. Good luck, happy trading, I'll see you all very soon.